Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the recoil starter on your lawnmower. Every mower is going to be a little different. In this case, I'll start the repair by removing the plastic shroud. I'll remove the retainer clip. And then there's 4 tabs I'll push in to release the shroud from the motor housing. I'll also need to remove the gas cap. Now I'll remove the starter rope from the eyelet on the handle. And I'll thread the handle through the shroud. Now I can remove the bolts that secure the starter to the blower housing. Now install the new starter. I'll align it with the mounting posts, and you may need to pull the rope slightly to get the pawls to engage with the starter hub. And I'll secure it with the bolts. Now insert the starter rope back through the shroud. And I'll reinstall the rope to the eyelet on the handle.